Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Etsy Print on Demand Shop Reviews, episode 27. We are going to be looking at a shop that a viewer submitted to us called Cute and Quirky Stuff. And it looks like they've already got 74 sales at least from when I took that screenshot for the thumbnail. So this should be pretty good. Why don't we get started? Quick reminder, take advantage of the free weekly print on demand giveaway. 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced tomorrow on Top 5 Niches of the Week. They're going to receive a license to Merch Titans Upload Automation, Merch Ninja, Print on Demand Research Tools, All Sunsets, premium pre-made graphics to help you with your designs, and Bubble Scout, my go-to Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You'll find a link at the top of the description. Also, while you're down there, take advantage of my 8-day print on demand free mini course. All I need is your email address. I'll send you 1 email a day over 8 days. And my print on demand Facebook group. If you guys want to join, that would be awesome. All right, let's go check out this Etsy shop. So here we are at Cute and Quirky Stuff. I'll put a link in the description to the shop in case you want to check it out for yourself. I do like their big header banner. It says the shop name, which looks professional. You've got your color scheme that you've kind of predetermined. You've got your logo of the mouth. Sure, that looks cool. And you also have an advertisement for something that most Etsy shops do anyways. The free shipping guarantee, where if they order $35 or more, they get free shipping automatically. Hey, why not advertise that in the banner to incentivize people to order $35 worth of stuff? For most people, that's a multi-product order. So that's a pretty good way of incentivizing people to spend more money. So cute and quirky stuff, for cool peeps, tea, mugs, gifts. You've got the little accolade there, top shop for gifts. Buyers bought gifts from this shop and gave them 5-star reviews. Great. Sign up for our newsletter and you're using Aweber. Whoa, way to make me a proud YouTuber, because I literally just dropped a video on this where I talked about how I think this is a really good idea to do. And for everybody that's watching this video, please clap it up, hit the like button to show that you are impressed, because this is a long-term business model right here. Okay, you can sign up for Aweber. I'll drop a link in the description. This is the same email provider I use. They make it really easy to create a simple landing page like this, add a logo, get their name, get their email, and then when they submit, you hit them with an autoresponder that includes a coupon that they can use on your Etsy shop. This is just, I gotta clap it up. It's brilliant, all right? I'm already loving it. And I mean, this is also just kind of like getting you comfortable with building an email list, setting up a landing page, because you might do other things down the line, maybe a completely different business model, but hey, now you know how to build an email list, so that's great. And Aweber makes it super easy to set up things like autoresponder content and whatnot. Like my free print on demand mini course uses Aweber, and it'll time those emails out to you. Anyways, all right, let's check out this Etsy shop. A lot of t-shirts. I think that's great to prioritize t-shirts, because that's typically going to be the best seller. You have a pretty cheap price point there at $16.20. I don't know who you're using to fulfill your orders, but at that price, I would just make sure that you're profitable, because Etsy does take fees out in addition to this. So yeah, that's the one thing that comes to mind. Oh, okay, never mind. Check that out. So you made the extra small, $16.20, and then the majority of the most commonly ordered sizes, $23 to $25, $26, $28. Very nice. So again, following the best practices. And by the way, while you're going and checking every single box and trying to just crush Etsy, which you're on your way, this is amazing. Check out, like, you know, making like thumbnails that stand out a bit more, because the thumbnails with the white background, of course, those are required for Amazon, but we're selling on Etsy. So why not do something, you know, like this, where you have even if it's just the sky background on every single listing, there's nothing wrong with that. Like it pops, it stands out. When I was doing Etsy, I always used like, I had templates, right? I had like a template for making my thumbnails, and whatever color the product was, I had various backgrounds that I really liked, and I would just pick one where I felt like the contrast was really good and it made the product shine. Like I typically didn't want a background that was competing for attention with the product. I just wanted a background that would like let it stand out, you know, but like you can use electric pink, you know what I mean? Something crazy like that. And as long as it catches the people's eyes as they scroll, it's typically a good idea. But yeah, great job using I think we call that a loss leader, where you're willing to break even or take a loss on like one SKU, which could be the extra small, and then price the rest of them up normally. So I really like seeing that. It's great that we got to see that as an example. When you do like designs that have a lot of text. I don't know if you maybe designed it this way so that you could fit all of it into the thumbnail, but when you upload the primary thumbnail on Etsy, you can also like kind of frame and crop it. So the reason I'm saying that is because I would make, this is unrelated to Etsy, but just design, like I would make the design bigger, you know, like you have the whole, and I don't know, maybe this is something that is from a TV show or something like that. So maybe this is how it looked in the TV show. And if that's the case, then I get it. But yeah, you know, the bigger, the better, typically, generally speaking, when you're selling t-shirts online. I mean, this is big enough, like you can still read it. It's not a problem. But I was just thinking like, you know, you've got a lot of space. Like it just looks a little crammed. Like when I'm looking at your shop, like this design looks great. This one looks great. And then you've got like ones like these two next to each other that just have a lot of text just kind of crammed in there, or really three, because I guess that's 3 in a row right there. So that's just worth considering, just thinking out loud. The coffee mug mock-up, I do like it. Is there one though that's like, see, this one, I'm torn, you know, because this one really lets the design shine. It rhymes. This one I think may even be better than this one. And I know it's going to be tough to put a custom background on this, because if you tried to magic wand the background off, it would probably just rip the whole mug. Yeah, I don't know. I'm torn between these two, but I do think it looks pretty good. Also, your mug prices are pretty high. I always was hesitant to charge more than $19.99 for a mug. Now, if you're using Printful, I know it can be tough to not charge more than $20 for a mug, but you can consider fulfilling your mug orders with Custom Cat. Like even if you created the listing using Printful or Printify, you can always just like cancel the orders from being fulfilled and then jump over to Custom Cat or Gear Bubble. And they have like really good pricing. I mean, Custom Cat has better mug pricing than Gear Bubble now. But that's one way of like getting a nice little edge. I can put a link to Custom Cat in the description too, by the way, if you guys want it. And save some money by, or I mean, not really save money, but you know, increase your conversion rate by not overcharging. I could be wrong too. Maybe people are willing to spend over $20 for a mug, but I'm not really sure. So it looks like you know, got into some of these big trends. This one kind of came and went pretty quickly, but it did do really well. It did a lot of sales. The FUCKYOU. You got a lot of mugs here, priced pretty high. I like your designs, by the way. If you're doing those custom, well done. It's just, I'm not sold on this mock-up. It's just like, it's a weird angle. I just don't know if like this would perform better, you know, truly. It might, because your designs are great. If your designs weren't that great, then sure, you know, use the other one. And we only have microseconds. You know, we have a fraction of a second to grab somebody's attention as they scroll through 100 search results on page 1, you know, so it's tough. Got to do everything we can. You know, it's great that you're running a sale, by the way. Well done on that. Let's see if you're doing the sale ends in 12 hours. Okay. I mean, again, I'm impressed. Guys, when you run a sale for 2 days out or less, it'll do the actual number of hours remaining, which again creates that incentive, that urgency to check out now. Because if customers add to cart and they don't check out, there's no guarantee that they're going to come back. I mean, I would reckon that most of them do not come back. So you really want to get them to check out immediately while they're interested in your product, right? You're mixing it up though. T-shirts, mugs, stickers. So yeah, I mean, you're checking all the boxes as far as like the primary best-selling print-on-demand products. You got some face masks there. I feel like, wait, why is this called penis face mask? Oh, are they like hidden in there or something? Floral, I don't know. Is that? Yeah, it is. Okay, yeah, they are hidden in there. That's kind of funny. I was going to say, if you're going to sell like random all over print products, like I would much rather do it on Etsy than on Redbubble. I feel like every other week when I do the Redbubble shop reviews, there's always a couple shops that are just selling generic, like all over print stuff. And no one searches for that stuff on Redbubble, but on Etsy, I think you can actually make those sales. So yeah, I think you're doing good. Like you have 75 sales. I would really just expand your inventory. Like I would, the same way that if you're on Merch by Amazon, you probably don't go to bed until you've filled your daily upload slots. Treat Etsy the same way, you know, make a thing where you like at least Monday to Friday, 5 uploads a day or whatever number feels comfortable for you. You're already doing really well. So especially now as we head into the fourth quarter, like this is the time to really like, it's crunch time to buckle down and just upload 5, 10, 20 products a day. And if you don't want to put them on auto renew, fine, put them on manual renew. But this is like the next 3 months, you're going to have the most bang for your buck paying that listing fee on Etsy. So do what you can to take advantage of that, knowing that the sales are really going to ramp up in volume. Basically, hopefully they already have since the beginning of October, and November, December are going to be crazy. And that's also going to help boost your future Etsy success, because you're going to get that little sales number and your number of reviews. Those are going to get pumped up. Okay. And then hopefully you can get at least one customer to leave you a photo review, because those look really nice when people are looking at your product listing. They put the photo reviews towards the top. Okay. So let's see, newest, recommended. Yeah, but you're on your way. I think you did a great job with your shop. Well done. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Before I leave, I wanted to remind you that there's a link in the description to my full print-on-demand course walking you through how I make 6-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. If you'd like to learn more, go ahead and use that link. But thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.